Teens who are on a Seattle beach making a TikTok came across a suitcase, and when they opened the suitcase, the smell was overwhelming, and now the police are involved. I'm going to tell you what was in this suitcase right now on IO. What is gravy, friends? You're watching IO. I'm Charlotte. Like, subscribe, follow the potato. Let's get into the news. Imagine you're having a typical day at the beach with your friends, filming content for TikTok, when you come across a suitcase, and the contents of that suitcase change your life. Using the app Randonautica, which is this new app that's like all the rage, it's an app that sends users to random coordinates to explore. So it generates random coordinates on a map for users, aka randonauts, to explore. It also asks users to set out an intention when looking for a place to explore, an intention like finding true love or finding something creepy, and you use the coordinates and you visit a place in the hopes of uncovering coincidences outside the usual patterns of experience, as Wired put it. So using Randonautica, a group of teens went to a beach in Seattle where they found a black suitcase that looked like it was washed up on shore. They opened the suitcase to reveal a black garbage bag and a terrible smell. Why don't I just show it to you instead of just talking about it? Just roll the clip.
It washed up.
Okay, so she's calling the police so we can see if it's actually a dead body or it's just food.
So this was actually a few days ago, and the TikTok was posted by TikTok user Henry on June 20th. Since then, it's been seen over 4.4 million times. According to the TikTok, the teens called the police, and Seattle police have now confirmed that the bag contained the remains of a man, and another bag found close by contained the remains of a woman. The teens involved in the TikTok have been interviewed, and Seattle police said in a statement. Police responded after receiving a call of a suspicious bag on the beach. Another bag was located in the water. Once the contents were determined to be remains, detectives responded to begin their investigation. The people inside the bags have actually been identified as 35-year-old Jessica Lewis and 27-year-old Austin Wenner. Both died of gunshot wounds on June 16th, but not much else is known about them. Imagine the chances that you use an app to take you to a place to explore, only to have that place end up being the site of something totally sinister, especially as like a kid. Like, these are teenagers. One has to wonder why Randonautica would recommend these teenagers go to a particular spot, but apparently it's just a coincidence. A rep for Randonautica told BuzzFeed News they were, quote, shocked at the very unfortunate coincidence. They said, "Our first reaction was to reach out to the teenagers to make sure they were doing alright. We sent a message letting them know the intention of Randonautica is not to find something disturbing like this." The spokesperson added that Randonautica coordinates are totally randomized and have no way of intercepting or providing specific locations. The coordinates are random, so it is the user's responsibility to adventure safely. Well, if that wasn't written by a lawyer, I don't know what is. Your fault, not mine. Did you read our terms of service? Your fault! The thing is, this isn't the first time Randonautica has sent people to creepy locations. It's become a trend to use the app because people are looking for things to do in lockdown. 1 million people downloaded it within the last few weeks, and there's a lot of people posting their experiences using the app to social media. It also became really popular when Emma Chamberlain made a video called Testing a Creepy TikTok Trend. Experiences started getting really dark, and people are finding like abandoned buildings, houses, cars, and objects, and now apparently dead bodies. Thousands of people are using the trending hashtag randonauting to share their experiences. Like, I know this is kind of a weird thing to say after that story, but I kind of want to try the app. Sounds kind of interesting. Especially the idea of like setting an intention and going out into the world and trying to solve that intention, if that makes sense. But then again, that's how you should start every day. You should start your day with an intention, set out into the world, and try to complete your intention. Have you used the app Randonautica? Did you see anything creepy? Did you come across anything weird? Let me know down in the comments. We will keep you updated on the story if any new info comes to light. I'm definitely interested to hear what happened to those people. For now, I'm gonna wrap this one up with some comment features. Janelle Elizabeth said, "When IO posts on your birthday, you know it's gonna be a good day." Well, happy belated birthday, Janelle. I hope it was a great one. I Am Astonished said, "Hello, I was wondering if you could cover the topic of the blue challenge. Many people are getting seriously affected or hurt by it, and it's something that people should be aware of. Also, I just want to let you know you guys are the most epic news channel on YouTube. Keep up the good work." Unfortunately, yeah, it's not a topic that we can really talk about. Just the name will get us demonetized or possibly even a strike. So, yeah, unfortunately, that's the reality. But yeah, I would encourage you to research the subject on your own time using news websites that don't have to deal with YouTube's terms of service. That is it for me. Thanks for watching. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you want more. I'll see you guys next time. Sorry, I feel like every time I come up here I'm just like sassing. Alright. Are you just like dad for everybody, Chris? Or are we just to you?
Bartender.